beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter, and today I'm going to talk about cleaning supplies. If you haven't noticed, Avon has wonderful cleaning supplies. I have pretty much, I think I have pretty all, I use every cleaning supply that they have, and so I kind of decided today I was going to go over it with you because recently I did some major cleaning, and I wanted to tell you about some of the things that it has. Floor cleaner. This floor cleaner is great for cleaning floors, but it also is great for if you have steel doors that you have to clean. Put this on and it will help clean those and make them come back to life. So yes, on your floors, and it works on all kinds of floors. So check that out. It's just, you just take this off, squeeze it on. It's easy peasy. And we have a multi-purpose cleaner. Use it on all kinds of stuff when you're cleaning, in drawers, on counters, even when you're cleaning the window wells, around the frames of your windows. If dirt and stuff gets built up in there and it starts to build up and it makes it bad, well, put this in there, let it sit a while, and you can get your windows looking, your frames and everything looking good too. And we also have window cleaner, and it is a phenomenal one, and it's just while supplies last. They are phasing this out, so if you're wanting it, get it now. And for stoves or anything that has grease, a lot of extra grease and grime, this range hood and kitchen degreaser is great. So if there's like buildup in the drawer of your stove, as well as on the sides when you pull it out, spray this on, let it sit a bit, and wash it off, and saves on a lot of elbow grease, because when you're doing deep cleaning, you scrub and your arms take a toll. And if you have a flat top oven or stove, this stuff works phenomenal. I don't have one, but I had to use it for a flat top, and I used this, put it on, let it sit a bit, not a whole lot, and then I did have the erasers. We have some eraser sponges, work great. The combination of the two gets that flat top looking really good again. And also, if you have any stainless steel, or if you're on your flat tops, if it doesn't have much, these, they open up, and it has an extra little protection in here, has wipes in there. That works good too, to make that look a little bit shinier. And one thing we have that I use at home here is our odor eliminator. It's for the fridge, and look how big this thing is. And I just cut this top part off and leave this other bottom part on, because somebody could think it's Jello, and I don't want somebody eating it. But it lasts a long time. I bet over 3 months. I don't know. I don't have to replace it all that. Yeah, it says lasts about up to 3 months. So yeah. So that is great. And heavy duty cleaning wipes. There comes a lot more in this. It comes with 50 of them, and they're lemon scented. But it can do tile and finished hardwood and stainless steel and sealed granite. But it also does your floors. If you have, we have sell the mops, but if you have a Swiffer, put that on there. It'll help clean the floors, get some of that grime and stuff off of it. So yes, that's a really nice one. Or if you just want to use one of the wipes again, this is just kind of like this one where it opens up and it has, but I tore that off. But it's still, they're very wet. And pull it out, and it's a big, nice cleaning cloth. And bathrooms, if you need to clean a really deep clean in the bathroom, our bathroom cleanser, it's a spray one, and it sprays a foam, and it just let it sit there and let it soak and do its thing on the showers, in the toilets. But if you have a really bad toilet, get our foamy toilet bowl cleaner. If you hate cleaning toilets, flush the toilet, open this, pack it up, and sprinkle it in there, let it sit for a few hours, and come back, and guess what? Your toilet is going to say thank you. So if you hate cleaning toilets, this is the way to do it. I mean, it doesn't take anything to do it. And if you have stains in carpets, if you have to do laundry that has stuff, we have the Fresh Fiji, the color booster. I ran out of the spray one that we have. We have that one. We used to have this one, and I love the combination of the two. And so I did buy some of these before they went out, because it has a little scrubber thing on it, and you can really do some deep cleaning, scrubbing, and let that sit and get the stains out. If you have bugs, and you're doing, and when you get done with your windows and you have screens on them, put our Skin So Soft bath oil on a cloth, you know, that doesn't have the peeling, that won't get any on the cloth, won't get on the screen if it rubs on it, and put some of that on, scrub it, or just kind of wipe it onto the screen, and you're not going to get the bugs trying to get into your house. And all your woodwork. If you have woodwork that looks like it's thirsty because you haven't shined it up in a long time, the perfect thing is also with that kind of a cloth that I just told you about, put some of, I like this flavor. I put the original ones for your screens, but I like the Soft Essential to do on wood. And it just brings it back to life. So if you need to get some cleaning supplies, look how fast I just told you. Oh, and those erasers come in a 3-pack. So these are just some of our cleaning supplies. Take time to check them out. Use them. You will fall in love just like I have. And also we have laundry detergent that is next to none. So easy, clean. And even the containers that they come in, they are not huge and heavy because they're concentrated. I mean, they don't use much. Or we also have the sheet ones where it just takes a half a sheet if you have a small load, or a full sheet if you use a regular size load, or a sheet and a half if you have a extra large load. So cleaning made easy. Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter with Avon. Thank you. Have a great one.